Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Christmas with Mr. Carrington 2019. I thought this day would never come, but then all of a sudden it's the 1st of December. I'm not sure quite how that's happened. Is anyone else thinking, how is it December now already? Please tell me it's not just me. But I've got loads of exciting videos coming for you throughout December. I'm going to be uploading every weekday at 5 PM. So you'll be having brand new videos Monday to Friday, and then I think on Sundays I'll be giving you a longer video, maybe a bit of a vlog. We'll see what happens. So do hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Next week is already jam-packed. The elves have been hard at work editing in between stealing my Baileys, and we've got loads of exciting videos coming for you. I've got some hamper ideas coming for you with Kate McCabe. I'm going to be getting creative with Luke. I've got a brand new special guest, and down here I've got a parcel that's arrived from Carrington, which I cannot wait to open. But today, we're gonna be cracking on with getting this bad boy decorated. So we're gonna do a bit of a decorate the Christmas tree with me. So crack open your Baileys, smash open your Terry's chocolate orange if you have one to hand, or just have a good moan about the size of the tubs of Quality Street and Heroes, because let's face it, they've definitely shrunk and we're not happy about it. If you're new here, do click subscribe. There's going to be videos throughout December. I'm so excited to share them with you, and if you enjoyed this one, do give it a little thumbs up. I've got myself a little coffee on the go. Also, can we just address the jumper? Yes, I have worn this for the past 2 years. This is the 3rd year running that I've worn this jumper to decorate the Christmas tree with. The second year was like a mistake, and I saw those 2 videos and thought, it's a tradition now. I feel like Nora from Christmas with the Cranks, you know, when she puts that waistcoat on and gets excited about it. This is the jumper that I now get excited to put on, because this jumper means that we're going to be decorating the Christmas tree. I just want to say a really quick thank you to Fantastic Services, who have provided me with this beautiful tree. It was so kind of them to send this over again this year. They always do a brilliant job. Essentially, they will deliver a Christmas tree to your home. They'll bring it in, install it for you, and they can also take it away. I think they've also got a decorating service as well, but obviously I'm going to decorate it myself because that's one of my favourite things to do in the entire year. However, if you do want to get that service, then it is available with them, and they do all sorts of different sizes of trees. So if you're like me, maybe you haven't got a car, it's really handy to have Fantastic Services deliver it for you. It really does take the hassle out of getting your tree, and it arrived in a net, you know, but then the man snipped it and it expanded, and now it's taking up half the living room. But that's okay, it's welcome here. But I've had to move quite a lot of furniture out to make room for it. But I'm very pleased with the tree. This is a 6 to 7 foot one, and it smells incredible. I could smell it upstairs as well, so really excited to have a real tree again this year. They also provided me with their cleaning service, which I was so grateful for. You know how chaotic it is at this time of year with everything all happening at once. So to have the place completely blitzed by their brilliant team of cleaners was amazing. They even have one of those machines that sucks all the dirt out of the carpets. So if you want some more information on Fantastic Services, I'll leave all their information in the description box for you. But now I'm going to pour a bit of Baileys into that coffee, and we're going to start decorating. Okay, so this is like deja vu already. I swear I did this last year. I forgot that the plug is behind the tree, and why didn't I plug this in before the tree arrived? I don't know. But now I'm going to have to crawl under the tree and plug this in. Then at least I can just sort of switch it on at the plug and then just use this bit when we put the lights on. So it's under the tree we go. I can tell that I'm going to be weeping into my Baileys in a minute. Can you even see me? This is not ideal. Oh Lord. Look. Let's reverse. So the plug is in the wall. We've got a few needles, but that's okay. We've got this. Now we're gonna put the lights on. I literally look like I've been dragged through a Christmas tree backwards. I have been dragged through a Christmas tree backwards. I'm actually quite proud of last year wrapping these around the shoebox lid. Hopefully, This makes it easier to put these on. And I've also got some smaller ones that I picked up in Sainsbury's in warm white, and I've got some bigger ones as well that I picked up in Sainsbury's. So we'll get all these on now. In fact, I think we just need a little bit of Christmas magic now, don't we? No! These are cool lights. Hang on. Oh no! I put the cool lights in the warm box. I'm an idiot. I'm such a wally. How did I manage that? Do we just leave the cool ones on? Have both? Why is it never straightforward? Stay calm. We'll have little babies. It's fine. I swear that elf's been up to no good in the loft. He's had a whole year up there causing havoc, and I reckon he swapped them over. I don't know why you're smiling. Okay, so the lights are all on. Actually, I don't mind the cool ones in amongst it. I think it looks kind of cool. And I've just strung these larger ones around the fireplace to give that some light because I felt like we've got enough on the tree. Okay, so next up, I've got all the decorations down from the loft. I think I'm going to keep it relatively traditional this year. I have got another tree in the corner over there, but this is the box that I picked up, thrifted from Harrods originally, and this is full of some of my favourite decorations. I've got some stored in these biscuiteers boxes as well, so I'll just go through these with you quickly. These are some of my favourites that are from the White Company. I picked up in a sale a couple of years ago. And then I've got these ones that are from Lidl, and then I can't remember where I got these antique style ones from. I'm glad to see that I've got some hooks. I wondered if I'd remember to put those back. We've got some larger ones from the White Company as well. And I've got some like fabric ones too that came from Lidl. I think these were from Wilko's, and more hooks in here. And I've got some little Christmas tree shapes. This is cool. I'm going to hang this, I think, on one of the window frames. And then in this shoebox, I've got some larger ones. I think all of these came from Wilko's, and I think they look really lovely. I think I picked them up in the sale a couple of years ago. So yeah, if you want to see any of my previous Decorate the Christmas Tree videos, that probably going to be exactly the same as this one, they will be on my channel from previous years if you want to go back and have a little watch. Okay, let's get the baubles on. The baubles on. Listening to the Christmas Crackers playlist on Spotify. Oh, that's good. Clothes pegs with mini Christmas trees on. What are you saying? And I think we're nearly there, so I've just got to add on the tree topper, which is this star. I forget where this came from. I think my mum gave me this. So this is going to go on the top, and then I think we'll be finished. Merry Christmas to you. Sing along to the song, make a wish, grab a kiss. Okay, I think we are done. I mean, I'm sure I'll end up adding a few more bits and pieces over December, but I think we'll leave it there for today. I'm really pleased with how it's looking. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. So now it's all decorated, I can put my first presents under the tree, which I will be unboxing next week, so stay tuned for that. So I'll be back with you from tomorrow, 5 PM every evening with a brand new video. So make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow at 5 with a brand new video. But I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a little thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the tree in the comments down below. Does it need any more decorations on it? Should we pop a few more on? Let me know what you think. But yeah, do catch me over on Instagram. Mr. Carrington Home is where I'll be sharing with you all my Christmas decor inspiration. So that's where you can see anything that I spy in the shops that I think you'll like, and also how I'm decorating my home here as well. So thanks again so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so excited that Christmas with Mr. Carrington has begun. I'll catch you tomorrow at 5. Bye. So you never miss a video, and if you're new here, do click. Oh. So, excuse me, the Baileys. Well, it's not Baileys, is it? Let's face it. It's Dundalgan Country Cream, Lidl's finest, £3.7.